Welcome viewers, I am Tutor Sokode. In today's math class, it is an Olympiad math question and we are given that if 36 raised to the power x minus 6 raised to the power x is equal to 1260, then what will be the value of x? Let us dive in. Solution to the given question, which is 36 raised to x minus 6 raised to x is equal to 1260. What should be done? First is to move 1260 to the left so that it becomes 36 to the power of x minus 6 raised to x minus 1260 is equal to 0. But 36 is the same thing as 6 raised to power 2. So I can represent it as 6 raised to power 2, which is 2x now, then minus 6 raised to x minus 1260 is equal to 0. Let 6 raised to power x be equal to t, okay? That means anywhere I see 6 raised to power x, I will represent it as letter t. Therefore, here I have 6 raised to power 2x, which becomes t raised to power 2. Okay? 6 to 2x is the same as 6 raised to power x or raised to power 2. So, replacing this with letter t gives me t raised to power 2 minus t minus 1260 equal to 0. If you look at it now, it is a quadratic equation. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. I am Tutor Sokode. Alright, I will look for two numbers I will multiply, which will give me minus 260, minus 1260. And when I add that same two numbers, it will give me minus 1. The reason is because I want to factorize this quadratic equation. And the two numbers are minus 36 and a plus 35. If we multiply these two values, it will give us minus 1260. And when we add the two, it is going to give us minus 1. I will use it to replace the middle term so that I can get t raised to power 2 minus 36t plus 35t minus 1260 is equal to 0. Moving forward, what I will do next is to put them into the brackets and then factorize what is common in the brackets. In the first bracket, what is common is t, leaving me with t minus 36. Whereas in the second bracket, what is common is plus 35, leaving me inside the bracket with t minus 36. Because plus 35 times minus 36 will give me 1260. Just look at it very well. It is well detailed. Moving forward, I can now write, remember it is equal to 0, t plus 35. T plus 35 into, picking one of the brackets, since they are the same, t minus 36, everything is equal to 0. So, we have two conditions here. The first condition is that the bracket t plus 35 is equal to 0, implying that t is equal to negative 35. From the second bracket, I have the second condition, t minus 36 is equal to 0, meaning that t is equal to positive 36. So we have two values, where t is equal to minus 35 and where t is equal to plus 36. But remember, we said let t be equal to 6 raised to the power x. So I can replace the value of t here. Okay, in the first case, I have t equal to minus 35. Is this equal to 6 raised to the power x? Here I have negative, and here I have positive. Therefore, it cannot work. So we can now reject this condition. It is rejected. We go for the second case, where we have it that t is equal to 36. So I write 36 is equal to, that is the value of t is equal to 6 raised to the power x. What next should we do? Do you know that this 36 is the same thing as 6 raised to the power 2? So I can write it. 6 raised to the power 2 is equal to 6 raised to the power x. According to indices. When the bases are the same, the powers automatically becomes equal. So if I cancel out the bases, x now will be equal to 3. In conclusion, the value of x, which the question has required us to find, is equal to 2. A quick one. We can decide to check the result. Given that 36 raised to the power x minus 6 raised to the power x is equal to 1260. If I replace the value of x equal to 2 in the given question, will the two sides of the equation be equal? If they are equal, it authenticates our answer to be very accurate. Therefore, 36 raised to the power 2 minus 6 raised to the power 2, would this be equal to 1260? We want to find out. Finding out this, 36 squared is 36 times 36, which will give us about 1260. 1296 because 6 times 6 is 36. So, and the 6 squared is 36. Will this result to 1260? So let's find out. 1260 minus 1296 minus 36. So this will give us 0, this will give us 6. Therefore, 1260 is equal to 1260. Authenticating that the value of x equal to 2 is very correct. Thank you, dear friends and lovers of mathematics. Remember to share the video, subscribe to my channel.